Understanding daylight breaks, an insight into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, daylight breaks. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves to enrich their vocabulary, this video will shed light on the meaning, usage, and origins of this expression. Let's break it down together. Daylight breaks is a poetic and somewhat lyrical way of saying that dawn is happening. It refers to the moment when the first light of the day appears, breaking through the darkness of the night. The word breaks, in this context, means to emerge or become apparent, symbolizing the end of night and the beginning of a new day. This phrase captures the transition from darkness to light, often evoking feelings of hope, new beginnings, and the natural beauty of the world waking up. While daylight breaks may not be as common in everyday conversation, it's frequently used in literature, poetry, and descriptive writing to convey the beauty and the emotional impact of dawn. You might also hear it in the context of discussing schedules or activities that start early in the day, such as, "We need to start hiking before daylight breaks to reach the summit in time." Dawn, or the breaking of daylight, carries significant symbolism in many cultures and literary works. It often represents new beginnings, hope, renewal, and the promise of a fresh start. Understanding this phrase enriches your ability to appreciate English literature and poetry, where the imagery of dawn is a powerful tool for conveying deep emotions and themes. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, daylight breaks, for you, enriching your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Remember, each phrase and idiom opens up a new window into the culture and beauty of language. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the light of knowledge break through the darkness of uncertainty. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.